Hello everyone, welcome to Lance Fans of Gaming. We're doing May Patreon 2024 Part 4. We'll be looking at D&D, Warhammer proxies and figures. The links that we'll be looking at will be down in the description below. If you do enjoy the channel, please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord down the link below as well. So we are going to be starting with Bite the Bullet. Another good one for 10 bucks. I think we are getting what you call Lord of the Ring set. So you have Sauron, we got Goblin. I think that's Sauron. Forgot the whole thing. Goblin trolls, I think they're hill trolls or mountain trolls. One of those things. We have Gollum, the ring. I know Warhammer has some pretty good ones too, but if you want to proxy for your Warhammer game, or you do Lord of the Ring D&D for it as well. The Dark Lord. It's kind of cool. The Drake, the Wraith King and his Drake. You have some Wraiths here. You have some more Wraiths. Can never have enough Wraith. Wraith riding on the horse. You got that ugly looking orc from The Hobbit, I believe. No, that's from the Lord of the Rings. The one with the disfigured body. Goblins. Forgot. Elena. I don't know all the actual names of the Lord of the Rings. It's been a long time since I watched it. But yeah. I think there's a throwback. This is a throwback. Okay. Bite the bullet. Now, Station 4 is Warhammer proxies. There's a lot more after this one. Just letting you guys know, so do check for them. So we have the boys. You can do different augmentations of him as well. And you can get the little squigs. The other one is the Tyranids. More like, not Barb God, what they call them. Freaking forgot the names. I know what they're supposed to be proxies of. You probably know. If you do, just leave it down in the comments. You have a drop ship. You can have your little soldiers in there as well. Probably want to magnetize it. So you want to drill some holes and magnetize it. You want to see the inside of it. And we have a Hydrophant, their version of Hydrophant. And yeah, they'll have a lot more. Just letting you guys know, a lot more proxies for you to. Hell Creator. This is a figure. Third of May release. This is one of the new games, the Dark Souls Samurai version of it. Don't really play any kind of Shadow Dies. We got another one. I think this is from Helldiver 2. I don't play that game either. And we have, I think we get this. I don't know. Don't want to read it. Yeah, we do. We get this one. If you're interested in it. So the release plan for the models for coming May. This is all of it. We get. I want Drizzt. Hopefully his pet panther's going to be there as well. Warp miniature, another D&D, old school AD&D style. We got looks like a Dragonborn. I think, yeah, these are like animal folks. If you're interested, these are old style like AD&D. You know, back then miniatures kind of really looked like. So I do like the old style work for it. Non figures, good figures, I will say, for 10 bucks. You get the past and now and bonus model if you do it monthly. So I'm rooting for Nuka Girl. Oh, we got another Drizzt too, and another Helldivers. Let's see here. Oh, we got the chibi version of the Helldivers. Looks like it. If you're interested in that. Futaba from Persona 5. Yoko from freaking Gallon. I forgot this old anime. This is gonna be June. Yuzu Tenji from, I think, Demon Slayer. Yeah, that's April recap. So if you're interested, there's a lot more this cup making as it goes. Another Shirko from that game as well. I have a lot of similarity. Don't know why. Okay, Artisan Guild. We got Deep Root is coming up. Let's see here. I just want to see the miniatures. They're like, I believe, halflings, I will say. So I'm happy we're actually getting halfling. These are like woodland halflings. Um, we do need a lot of halflings. They're starting pulling out halflings and gnomes. Even though I complain about it for a really long ass time, I'm just happy they're finally getting it going for it. So woodland halflings. A lot of them go. Yeah, I like to have different variety. I don't like the city folk halflings. These will have different colors hair, I believe. I gotta brush up on hobbits because there's different types of hobbits out there. Whittle Thornfoot. Look at that. That's just pretty cool looking. So yeah, we got old. That looks like a gnome, not a halfling, but a gnome. So, but yeah, there might be gnomes too. I don't know, but how they look like is really different. So we have wood. Looks like a green dragon. Nice to have. And you got some terrains with mushrooms. I already pay enough mushrooms, so I'm kind of good. Busts as well. And a tiefling bust. Next is ES Monsters. Another good figures as well. Bulma's going to be in June. Hmm. They should make her boobs bigger. I don't know why they gotta change it. May, we got Gwen Stacy's. Yeah, a lot of I have a lot of Gwen Stacy model, different heads too. We have Widowmaker. There you go, better looking Widowmaker. And I think we have this one from that. Forgot the anime's called. That's a good anime too. She was in the first season. She has more muscles though in the anime, but they want to make her look more pretty and sexy. And it comes nude. There you go. And we already got Psylocke. Beastarium miniatures. This is like Dark Soul, Elden Ring style miniatures. If you're interested in those. So we got this Beastarium games. I actually put them in my board game. I wanted to. The Alchemic Order. These guys would be very fun to paint. I have a lot more Dark Souls things I have to really need to paint, but yeah, interested in it. This was actually kind of cool looking. I know that these paint schemes, if I do paint them, I do it very dark and like a little dingy rust type of highlights on it on certain ones. But yeah, but these are pretty good too. Need your adventures. Titan Forge miniature. These are like the proxies for Warhammer 40k, Sigmar, and Old World. So this one is going, and some of the stuff we have around here are D&D, like the Elmbar Hulk and stuff. This stuff, we have the Chaos, and we have the Halflings, or the Gnomes section of it. I know there's Gnomes in 40k. I know there's Halflings in Old World for Warriors and Gnomes. So yeah. So you got some Chaos stuff. It's a pretty cool looking Chaos for Old World. I'm really looking forward to Games Workshop to release the Chaos. I look at some of the stuff that they have from the fantasy. I might get some on eBay later on down the road, but yeah, gnomes. You can see the facial structures from it. Gnomes. It's kind of cool looking. I don't think you can do that in old world. I don't know. I gotta see. I really got to see because I know that the dwarves have some technological advancements. A lot of stuff. So we got some dogs. We got some fucking walking bombs. That's hilarious. We got some. These are D&D stuff right here. That looks like Gul'dan. Tell you the truth. Yeah, the Umber Hulk. Umber Hulk is nice to have. Rust monsters spewing out of a portal from it. Let's do one more. Deco figurines. I think this one we have Pokemama from Hollow Lives. So this is like a VTuber. I'm guessing. And then we have. I think we're having. No, we got that. What else are we getting? Oh, there we go. So we got Lucina from Fire Emblem Awakening and Marin Katagawa from My Dress Up Darling and Poco Mama. Pico Mama. Well, anyhow, I hope you guys do enjoy it. Please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon and Discord. The links for these are down below. And I'll talk to you guys next time. Have a great day, guys. Bye.